Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.
Hello, welcome to Tech Properties. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us 20 best window design 2022. Before I continue, I want you to click on our subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to anything that has to do with building, properties, bungalow, duplex, just name them, getting it here free of charge. Click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's move on. I have number one, living room window design. The white glass window can let in enough sunshine and fresh air into the room to create a positive vibes. You can see this beautiful living room window design will be good for any room. Look at it, so good and so nice. It will allow even the fresh air to be entering. Okay, let's move on. The next one, I have kitchen window design. Check out this bay window for the kitchen, which covers up the sink area and transform the beauty of this space. Now look at this kitchen window design. Look at this construction, the structure, the way it looks like, so good and so nice, so portable, simple and beautiful. Okay, next one I have is a balcony window design. Check out this balcony window design. Check out it's being constructed and looks so nice and then looks so wonderful and good. The night view can be equally spectacular too. Okay, you can see it looks so good. This is for balcony window design. Now I have this one called bathroom window design. Look at this bathroom window design. Looks so good and so nice, so beautiful, and just simple and looks so portable. This is so good. Okay, now he said most people ignore the fact that bathroom need window for ventilation. Window don't only allow better light into the room, but also offer enough air circulation to keep the indoors smelling fresh. Okay, next one I have here is the office window design. For those who have good office, you can use this will be window design in your office. Just to see this spacious, looks so good and so nice. Fresh air can easily come in, and with the glasses here, this is wonderful for office window design. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now, staircase window design. Check out this staircase window design. Having a glass window near the staircase is not only a statement look, but also offer the right amount of ventilation. The size of these windows can be customized as per the length of the wall. Use a combination of fixed and movable windows to invite some fresh air without compromising on privacy. Very nice and looks so good. Look the way it looks so wonderful. Make the staircase to look portable and beautiful. Okay, I have a corner window design. Look at this corner window design. Corner windows are a smart way to utilize the unused area of your home. Solid walls are replaced by this V-shaped glass window that align with the structure of a room and keep it ventilated. Very nice and looks so good. It brings in fresh air, make you to relax and look comfortable. Arch window design. Okay, Arctic window, wooden window design add a timeless look to your home. The regular window fair to do. You can see it is so good and looks so nice. Very simple window that you can add and it looks so good for your room. It's a nice one. Okay, next one I have is a round window design. This is a round window design. Here is a round window design that creates a contemporary appeal to your home. The round window gives access to fresh air and abundant sunlight to brighten up your space. Looks so wonderful and so good, beautiful, has so many colors and so many designs you can choose from. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is sliding window design. This is a popular one. You can see sliding window design. You can use this one in your home, your parlor, anywhere, in your room and parlor, anywhere that you feel that is good. This is good and wonderful and looks so nice. Sliding window offer numerous advantages when compared to casement window. Firstly, they are great space savers and ideal for compact size rooms. This looks so good and wonderful. Okay, this is a winning window design. This one looks so good and so nice. This unique design window open outward using a gas operated hinge or manual one. Very nice and looks so good and wonderful, beautiful, and it's very good to use in your room or parlor anywhere you want to use it. I have a jealousy or Louvered window design. Look, check out this one. This one is, I think this one is has been existing for long, and it's a common and very nice and so good for those that still want to use old school window. This one looks so good and beautiful. Looks so good and nice. The window are designed with paints called Louvered made of different material like glass, wood. Okay, yeah. There's a Louvered window is a very nice. It looks so good and wonderful, beautiful for your use. Okay. Okay, this Bose window. Look at this one. Both windows are custom made windows that takes an angular shape where the frame is customized to align with the shape of the wall and casement lying over it. Very nice and looks so beautiful for a beautiful home, a wonderful home, a beautiful home. And okay, the next one I have a guiding window. If you are plant lover, those that are plant, those that are into plant, and this can actually come with this one. This is a 3D project window, create a mini greenhouse for your plant and protect them from extreme weather condition. This one looks so good and wonderful, beautiful, and nice, wonderful. This one is a custom window design. Great home need impressive window design which extend the style and taste of the home owner. Looks so nice and so beautiful for your home design. Check out the glasses, check out the way it's been constructed and everything. The space you can easily see through and everything looks so good and so wonderful, beautiful. Okay, this one is a roof window. Look at this roof window. This is for those who stays at the top. For instance, you're at the top of the roof, or you have a bungalow or something, somehow a house that a penthouse and so forth and so on and so forth. You can actually put this roof window to be a good one to make your home to look so unique, so beautiful. You can actually sleep on your bed and look at the sky and see the moon and see the nature. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. It's so good and beautiful. Okay. This one is an L-shaped window design. Check out this one, the L-shaped window design. Check out the way it is and the L shape and the chair by the side, and the window is so large and so nice. The space, the fresh air that will coming through the window and everything, the way it's been structured and everything. This fiberglass window design is fixed using an L-shaped frame that is custom made as per the wall design. You can add an L-shaped sofa or throw in a couple of chairs to make this beautiful viewpoint or reading spots. Good one for your home. I have a fancy window design. Add some form to your interior by choosing a unique shaped curved window design. Check out this one. Looks so good. Check out the way it looks like, the structure, the glasses, like the way it's been look. Everything looks so good and wonderful and beautiful. Okay, this one is iron window design. Check. This one is just okay. This one is just simple and very nice. Simple, can be used in any of your room or parlors, any of your home. Looks so good and wonderful. Okay, this one is glass block window. Okay, this one is for glass block window. um okay, these are a smart way to let natural light in without worrying about privacy. Besides lending a chic look to their room, this window also brighten up an interior space. Very nice and beautiful for your home. It's good for you, keep it wonderful. Okay. Okay, I think this is the end of the slide. Okay, I think with this window design, you'll be able to choose one that you can use in your home. Before you go, click on the subscription button and subscribe to our channel. In this channel, you'll be getting the best information when it comes to home, when it comes to building, when it comes to real estate, when it comes to buy land, when it comes to anything that has to do with building. Can be duplex, can be bungalow, just name it. You'll be getting it here free of charge. Okay, I want to say thank you for watching and see you other time. Bye.
Click on the subscribe button and notification to get all our latest videos.